a tithe along the way, and you keep the credit.
Hey friend, welcome back to another video. If you are a subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much. And if you are not, I want to say welcome. And my name is John Stambaugh. I make wedding films and I travel all over the United States to do that and the world. Less the world right now, but I travel with my wife who's a wedding photographer, and we get to shoot and work together quite a lot. So yeah, it's an awesome time and I love doing what I do, and I'm so grateful to be able to help you if I can. Today's video is just really quick because I'm about to record the Fuji XT4 full review, and that should go up either tomorrow or the day after. But this video is going to be really quick because it's just me opening up this box. If you know anything about what this is, it's the sirui anamorphic 50mm lens for the Fuji X mount. Sirui just recently announced the 35mm lens, which will be available on Indiegogo, I think. And soon, I think they'll have an entire set, I'm guessing, is what they're moving towards. But this is the first that they made. This is the 51.8, 1.33 anamorphic. And to be honest, I've seen reviews and I haven't loved what I've seen, but for $700, it's anamorphic and it just seems too fun not to try. So we're going on a trip to the Grand Tetons, and that's gonna be in a few days. We're gonna road trip up there. And it seems like the perfect opportunity with this beautiful sweeping landscape to test an anamorphic, and especially one where the visual characteristics might not be as anamorphic as a 2x, but you still get the benefits of the wider field of view. So I'm really interested to try it out. I'm really hopeful about it, but I just wanted to review it. So this is me opening it up, and I don't like unboxing videos, but I'm doing this so that you can leave me a comment below and tell me what you want to know about it, because $700 is not the cheapest for a lens. And so please do let me know if there's anything that you're looking forward to learning about so that I can let you know. So here's the box. It looks really well packaged. I don't really typically care how a product is packaged, but yeah, there it is. Now I'm gonna take the lid off here. And okay, so there's some accessories right on the top, and I'm not sure what those are going to be, but I am going to be borrowing a friend's Pro Mist filter to shoot on this because it's just a little bag. I think a Pro Mist will really work well stylistically with this. So yeah, here it is, all suction bagged and wrapped. I'm just gonna carefully pop it open and show you the lens real quick. If you don't know what anamorphic is, or if you don't know anything about this lens or these lenses, I think Caleb from DSLR Video Shooter probably has done a sufficient job of explaining it, so I would go check his channel out. But essentially it is an aspherical lens, and so yeah, you can see that it's rounded and or elliptical instead of being perfectly rounded. So yeah, and you can even see the blue flares. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I can see it already, the blue flares that are horizontal instead of circular. So I'm excited to test it out. I'll try and throw some footage in right now. I'll just shoot around my backyard real quick. So yeah, let me know down below what you want to know about this lens so that I can review it well for you, because I know a lot of people are probably going to be looking into this now that the 35 has been announced and will be shipping soon, I think. And this could be a really cool set for independent filmmakers. So thanks for watching. The XT4 review should be coming out next, and then a review on this soon after. I'm just gonna take it on this one trip and make the review based on your feedback. So thanks for watching. Hope to catch you in the next video. Peace.